Uptown Link Up. Yes, sir. Hello? Is this Uptown Link Up? Oh, best program ever.
We're here again with another Uptown Link Up show with a special person, a very, very special person from the Hermitage community, we should say, from Uptown, right? This person is a famous cricketer, right? A member of the Hermitage, a couple of clubs in Hermitage. He's going to tell us about these things. He's also a well-known person in our Kingston, Jamaica, not just Hermitage. We are speaking to none other than Mr. Michael Cherito Henderson. Mr. Henderson, welcome to the Uptown Link Up show, my brother.
It's a pleasure, my family.
We also have with us Mr. Donovan Longmore.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me, gentlemen.
Uptown Link Up show. Mr. Michael Cherito Henderson.
I'm a Hermitage from me about 5 years old. I spend time in a place of Beer Bush. Right, I'm born on Orange Street, 158. And as a mother passed at 12 years old, then I fully live at Hermitage. And that's how my neighbor string in my life. You know what I say? Well, first, everybody love each other. And being that, when me and live at Beaumont Road first, then my other auntie migrate and my other auntie for we're in the place. So we're in the place, but they can then time there. I'm about 67.
Yes.
But if I were in the place, at time them also just make up for just one little box. We call it 2 room, you know?
Yes.
But Stefan, I used to be happy. Everybody bungle up, who not the bed, find a bed and whatever. You know what I say? But you are scout, I was scouted out, you know, even though just unity, people look for we like we had to catch there, sir. You understand?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why the strength to wind that place so strong. Everybody each other, everybody part. But everybody come hang out right there, so everybody leave the corner, this corner, whatever, everybody come hang out your style corner. This is the man with the style, you know. Face whole thing and everything, you know. No, we just look at basic school, we try to keep at the clubhouse too. Right, a spot like you say, that was a renowned club in Jamaica them time there, you know.
Yes.
And enough of the kids go right there, so. And then you guys have Argoton basic school, so it's either, but most of the Hermitage people there would rather them stay at Hermitage, you know?
Yes.
So this was the top school. And then after they move on to other school, Providence, Papine, and different. So everybody who used to come through the system, no matter where they school them go, whether KC, GC, Campbell, or whatever, they have to come through there, so Papine and Providence, most of them, you understand? So
yeah.
We had older members who take care of it and teach it. So I have 2 little men who look for me as a little youth, Tigo Clark and Daniel Brown.
Yes.
To me, I'm one of the quickest fast bowler ever. Tigo, the best basketball in the cricket. I know if this guy can bat like it. And me always want to look like him and bat like him. And I know about the cricket. He came from the come and show me how to do things and certain things. And go and catch on and but I look at you 10, 11. I follow up and down and watch some bigger man who open innings when we were Beta.
Yes.
Beta and another guy. I'm the one who was the opening batsman. I forget his name. But Beta and him, I used to look on them guy there. You have Shackleton, one of the other guy, who's a ball piece, and Inky, you know?
Yes.
Tigo brother, Dan Brown, you have brother John. Them man there, you know. Now you can't with the child look at thing.
Yes.
The Kakatopi, you know. Them man there, them Beta days now. You have youth like Pork and Jimmy coming in as a team, and no matter fact, I suppose to make an heartbreak and to go still leave a team 1 year. I mean, have a baseball, I just done. The Tigo church, I look for me, the church will come a year, the baseball, say, me, but I can't go to the better learn. I show you hold the ball and this, that. And kept on come and I show me 1 and 2, and then I show me 1 and 2, and I go learn fast for my captain and brother. Then I start develop a little pace now, and to start enjoy. A man say too short and this and that, but when them get too little and them hard time, them get to realize. That come up.
Where the name Cherry 2 come from, though? Was
Well,
it the cricket?
No, well, no, I'm going to pop in one here in the morning when I leg a release to Wally Chung, who was the captain for Chancellor House. Want a man for run another leg, he picked 2 men already and himself, but you know me for around my church. But me, I'm church will come run the leg, yeah. So I look around and say, who my car, so. And I used to hear everything in church before, but him to leave. So he said to me, you may talk, man, you may talk, come, man. So I'm going to come. I'm like, what kind of idiot name that? So we're going to know tomorrow, we run good everything, and then some girls start to say, boy, church will run good. I'm a vex because I never like him. I said, boy, but I'm not going to go on vex because it is weird, right? But if I vex up a face, I'll stick. Because everybody has a nickname. Yes. Boy, this man come to school and I say, everybody call me, I say, I'm that here. I said, go on, show give me that name there. And it sticks for life, boy. People don't know my right name, know that one day.
Let the world know who Tigo is.
Well, let me tell you something. I used to sit down and watch him back and marvel at his ability. But the greatest batsman we will see when I play Test cricket. And he could have played Test cricket if he wanted to. But for whatever reason, I'm going to hold him to that target. Because even though the Tigo, there's a man of respect to if he shot your back, so you drop and everything. So we can ask him certain things, you know. But over the years, you know, we get older, we get twice and things. You know, I will try to make him best text with me. But walk in batch, I feel a safe speed anyway, a pace bowler, a spin bowler. We keep wicket on everybody. Nobody else ever do it. Him Dan Brown look at me one time. I'm a bowler, say, I'm selling some shirt too. You will see a batsman, you know. But I'm look here and say, if I tell me I'm a boss line, that means I'm a show ass. So let's keep it to himself. You know, remember, I'm doing I play a match, I'm going to catch it. The whole world talk about a catch day. I mean, I think it's kind of vex, man. And the first man come lift me up in a him and I jump up. And a man bring a bag of ganja come give me. Every day. I said, this is for you. I'm going to look here, ganja nice. So, you live brim and all of them. So, you check when you want to them come. And I walk in a ganja from the road. The police will lock you up. Then the man, I'm check what you want to tell you. And I go, half bag of the ganja left back, same place. I mean, I touch none, you know. But the youth was there with us, man. He got look out for us as youth. I want to tell you a little story, you know. I play cricket for Lucas Cricket Club and I play a match against UWI. And Dan Brown can tell you about this there. So, from the team, I have future Jamaica, Western and play whatever. Marlon, Tucker, and Robert, Ian, I have a good look aside. I will try to win the cup that year there. So, when Tigo comes, Tigo says, oh, today, oh, I'm in a mood. I'm saying, Lord, Tigo said that, you know, I feel worried, so Tigo come early and me a goal team. So, I had couple down the leg side. I was like, Jerry, watch it, you know. I said, I trying to touch him, man, but I was a lucky one because I know ball. Next ball, I'm getting for 4. You know what I'm saying? So, I must hold my back and I said, boy, my back, I will just keep. Bring out Robert. I said, Robert, yes, which was the best spinner in a schoolboy cricket at the time. So, I say, Robert, let me tell you something. I say, man, yeah, and I take cricket amongst way. I say, oh, sure, if I catch good, man, go deep and catch him. I look at him and say, no, don't fly to him because I know I never boss man to try. Big man, I run it way. All right. I mean, I say nothing but go deep. First ball, Robert fly here, he was like, oh! The ball fly out of the compound and look at the middle of the road. And ball bend up. First ball at 6. Robert just scratch him head. I'm saying, Robert can't fly to him. He fly the next one again and he go jump and pick him. Pure night. He go let the ball over Kensington. He go, then some of the woman them run and jump and cheer over Tigo and full cry. So the professor guy, the one the my 15. I mean, just one side I watched, you know. Till when we get a look up, you know, matches come on and God, we have seen a cup matches ever play some man and come. And Vivian Richards and them guys them over Kensington for the practice. But them wait up the wicket so them come for Lucas I watch the game. And them go Tigo and a full cry and I think they never have the name yet. And
that's Vivian Richards.
Yes, that's Vivian. So where am I come from? Who am I play for Jamaica? And man said, ooh, if I'm in the island, combine island, put a gun in me to play with the water and not then get a shot or something. And the man watch the basketball and like, I must water the water grab. I mean, the man a full cry. So much is still Robert said, what's up? Me can't like him, you know. And I know me have like a star starter right now. He can make 148. You hear me?
Wow.
Full cry. The man lick ball over the place, man. So my captain now, the senior cup team, right, Paul, come to me and say, Chewy, tell the big man come join Lucas now. Him go out to the Tigo and him come in. I said, well, I mean, I try, you know, but boy, I said, hey, and them look over here there, and I said, well, sure. So I go to Tigo, I try to prepare to hey, the man, then why come to Lucas? I don't know about that. And he said, I'm saying, I work for the team, you know. I play for Jamaica in Japan. He said, I play for the Jamaica. You know, this shit, I will take the paper and put them there and put in my pocket. That was it, man. I tell you. The boy wonder where the man come from for the whole week. The man them big me to the right pass him and to talk to him. And the word I know about this boss man, and people see say, no, you know, I think it's not doing interest for whatever reason and difference, man. I tell you.
Wow.
Just stage one time till some man, someone get some little side and the man them come and them compare me, say, hey, the big man can't but like you know you. I mean I laugh like and like what the praises and say, brother, let me tell you something. I became jack shop and became back like him big too. There's no way no guy ever can back like that. Yeah? You know man, you better than this. Me I look pretty, yes, but no guy can back like you. That was it, but them tell them, you know, the father and the mother, you know, them time. So, it's a little problem, my answer, I call Tigo. I know for me, so Tigo straighten me out.
Yeah.
I have to do work and everything. I wouldn't jump for me. If I go on, I can't. If I call with the man, with the pipe, I know, I can't. Not that, look, the man, no. Just like Jimmy Sinclair, too. He tough up Jimmy. Him give Jimmy a nickname, strike quite tough, because he will bat the ball, and he him a bat, guess what, he might cry. It's so Tigo to care about the field, and make you learn to glance up their foot and everything. Tigo take the ball and they close, and lick it hard, lick it in your shank, without no parts, no parts. Every time Jimmy a cocoa come up,
yes.
and say, oh, now lick my foot, so I laugh. No, sir. So it's my learn to glance, and I was one of the better glance on the ball after a while. But it's tough for me still, you know.
Yeah.
And then I said, last punch, I not because the guy couldn't touch it. The guy was touching everything, and he got come and worries. You know, and that, but he's a bad guy, you know.
Yes, yes.
I couldn't not make him see, but he was there for us all. And, you know, long story short, I remember that little youth, them have a little team, and there was some good guy, and son the name Honest. And Shitty, as a David Williams, never great possible to make.
David Richardson.
Yes, man. Yeah, David Richardson and whatever. And from my little team, I'm begging to come play with them, and I'm going to have there's a bigger user to go play with them still, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to have and play with them, but it was Nolan and the little youth around, Answer St. Joe.
Yes.
And some other good little youth, you know?
Courtney, Joe and his brother Courtney, they used to love the cricket.
Yeah, man, Joe, man, them, man, every little youth, because they're from a little youth team, you know? And then she tell them come to the church to come play with, you know? And me and them can really talk to, you know? Yes. And I kind of not that far from older than them, but I can still fix them. Yeah, man, I can go, man, I win the match and everything. And down the road, after Tigo pass and so. And if I tell me, say, and me was him idol.
Yes.
And she tell me, so he was a company from the camera, and they want to look at me, go and like me, and we used to dress and thing. Them to them a cherry too. I'm saying, boy, I don't bring cheers to my eye because I never know all of this. I'm saying, well, say, God, your father was my idol, and we can't give back now. I know, so boy, you know? Yes. You come and excel and do good things and whatever. We not can award a Melbourne, and then you want to take it to another level because David played for Kingston and everything. I'm sure they're getting you some fight against him. But he did good, and unfortunately, you know, he drowned. Trying to save them by their lives, you know, but one of the better batsmen. Maybe I put him as one of the top 3 batsmen in a Ermstad at the time. Because we have some good batsmen who came through the system.
Yes, we have heard Lots of story about David Richardson alongside even Jimmy Adams at Jamaica College.
Oh, well, until today, Jimmy and Adams. Jimmy Adams and Shitty. They were the records with the highest opening stand by any sunlight player in Jamaica until today. And Jimmy couldn't bat like Richard. But guess what? You know, I'm a privileged one. You understand? Money people and this David as I guess I push him. Lucas give him a fight. He'll come to me and tell the things and I play somebody who can't bat like him big finger, you know?
Right.
And I tell Lucas, no, when the Kingston and Maurice Foster look at me and say, oh, you know, ambition, this, that, you know. I say, no, when I fight against you, I'm going to get chance to do certain things. When I work in Jamaica team, whatever. But for whatever reason, when they fight against Shitty does a better, and I want to know again. Lucas the same thing too, you know. He must beat himself.
Yes.
But uptown, man, another guy named Senior. Remember him, Tigo had a brother named E. Clark.
Yes.
You know? We have to carry them on the back and watch them play because they're bigger youth for it. And you have Skinny Rye and somebody else come on like Kakatopi.
Yes.
I remember all them names there, you know? A young boy, you know, like me, Pork and Jimmy Sinclair come on, and down the road they have Ricky Chung and Mikey. Tigo like a nephew because he won't view it, you know?
In the early 80s, what was Hermitage like in that time?
Oh, beautiful, man, because they should have the food there, somebody get some food. Miss White look out for me, and Miss Sybil, and them can't cook every Sunday, you know, say, if my auntie in a bubble, she'll tell them, say, yeah, look for Junior, whatever. You know, I'm no my dinner already, and every Sunday morning to build my little food, I'm going to shower. Sometimes I have 2 dinner to eat, and I come and different, you know, and it was up there, and everybody see everybody yard and sleep. You have to them yard and them over my yard, be a Peter White, you know, till we grow a little older and to move on and work in the ministry now and difference, and I look for the church and it should never really abuse, but make sure say people have like a fun stuff.
Yes.
And being at the PA master, I'm take my little people them and so I come and make a little money and thing.
Tell us about that PA master thing. Or you become a PA master, you're a cricketer. Talk to us. What
yeah. Well, we forget look work, you know. I remember saying school and more work, you know, and we did I would do the crash, I would do this and that, you know. Put in a little application and then them accept me in agriculture ministry. Me and Peter White and we moved from this, you know, and then the account department now and in a government rate. Them not paying nothing much, but they me got enough money to me. Mm-hmm. But I tell you, you can't hustle and thing, you know?
Yes.
And it was to be in the 80s when Michael was in control. I have to pay money and different things. I end up to be the PA master that time there, so. When the man come for the money, the bigger man ask me if I must pay them. Tell them yes. I know say me I work 5%, but the man are my friend. You know? So me have to pay the PA bill. Just call certain people from my road. I say, yeah, when you come up here next time and you set it up, come get an envelope. Yeah, man. Everybody have the food piece, everybody from the car and drink a thing, you know. So I want to give me the left out to give them. Like a party, me care everybody, me, all of them, to come with me. Tell them go vaccine, tell them go everywhere. If me have an outing, if me have a Christmas party, me have a truck, a van come down there, you know. All of you end up fully up, you know. Right our culture, Christmas party. Yeah, man, many can't tell you that.
Yes.
And all of them.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I'm saying, who are them here? Those can't do it, just a church, who people say, all right. I was well, coming, eat, drink, and everything. Yeah, man, all of you, them, man.
Take care of them.
Yeah, man, they can't tell you, man. I seen up on the road, I've been to the whole of them, man.
But then you happen to migrate to the United States. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, two things and thing, you know, you have to come and look better. Another time, you know, we end up like we are open our friend next door.
Mm-hmm.
As a back on the sister, and then but she gets pregnant with the first youth. And then you know, so boy, I have to take care of she because she's 18-year-old, you know. Mother and father bet that thing, but I'm promised to take care of her. And I saw it. I know through me, you know. And I look, she have 2 youth for me. And then for university, I should put that for her. She eventually went. And she gets a job at the ministry. Then check a look upon and I should be nice until she go to university and educate herself and become the chief accountant down there. You understand?
Yes.
You know, she has to go retirement and move to the state. But everybody who went to the officer, they get a work and go right same way. You know? Get your right there, so. And who work outside and the garden anyway. Got to look up man and see it. And things work up, you know? So, with all of that, I become the captain of the cricket team, manager of the football team, play football, everything. But in all of that, I earned it from my mind because I did some first.
Yes.
There's nobody else, but I just me that.
Yes.
Remember one time at a club where I come play for them and thing and try by this and that. I would say, no, sir, never leave Hermitage to play for a team that put me in Hermitage. After they get Hermitage, you know, then I think they'll try to lick me down. I just said, but can't I do that? I've been a challenge still, you know?
Yes.
But I couldn't do that. But when I say Hermitage for life.
Life.
Hey, bro, I'm going to play and I come at Hermitage. I have another old port. The job of fighting them there, Hermitage main time. That's good. I mean, I have to say nobody see me. I mean, no problem bridging them, I did have no one seen and they bridge, you know? Life is temporary and things, but you should have a unity and that love. You just know, like, look, the violence are creepy and where individuals have a neighbor that kill individuals. Nobody never kill nobody back never did. A man ever fight and you fight to the fist and up, man, we done and pray again. But you're not going to destroy nobody because once you shot a man dead in God's favor, the life, you don't see him again. So I say, that is the kind of idiot thing they want to cut out now and that's the thing I know, say, man, wise up and know, say, politicians just use it, you know. Use your refuse, when them done the land, them send to you and then them look. Take your 3 piece and man a berry and then things, you understand? Sometimes for what? So you are like to get your kids them and can go out and enjoy life and see the kids them excel, you know? And you come this big and God, I remember you bought the body, you know? Yeah, but we did it, we put you know? Yeah.
You went away and I start seeing you and in Hollywood pictures. Tell us a little bit on how that happened in your
long story. You know, you come to America, you have you want to survive. You understand? You have to do things, but you don't come with a mentality for jobs and this and that and thing because eventually you have to lose out, you know?
Yes.
So when I come, I see the bridge named Mackie.
Yes.
So I could see I'm here by Mackie. People have to move on and do your own thing. And I've never known nobody here, so I decided to just give it a try and give them to jump up. Because me now, I learn a trade. I learn a trade carpeting. So I install carpet, good work for a big company, Dan Daly and them things. Because I have a baby mother back at Jamaica and 2 picnic shop to eat and I have to live good. And then for one time, no, so I have to go there and work. So I mean, I'm some classes, them start go some acting class and this and that and get an agent and thing and well, them say me answer me not see it. And they want to use me. so hey, I have more money, I get that stuff. She have some photographic margin for the, you know, what for the run, you just look at things and take picture, whatever, do a portion of that thing. Well, it's not that easy to make a forget it for a morning tonight, I do have to do. Just like when you go for the movie shit, I've done from 5 o'clock in the morning, and so they don't want to get way down, but how it's going to the clothes you have on, you go back to wardrobe, if you go wardrobe, you have to check you out and everything, ring, links, that, everything, you know? If you have a little speaking part, you have to know your line and know what to say, or whatever, but you have to start for that, which I was after a while. Sometimes you start as an extra, they cannot go and the music for background, whatever, and you can move on, you know? So, agent who will push me and thing, and then we get like a push and thing. So I want to tell you, one of the movie, the car Drop Zone, starts with me, but I never tell you about the too tough. To me, it just work. I never say another movie, I money me I get.
Yes.
And when you start, you get $100 an hour. If you see the any amount of hours, that don't pay, but out of that, the agent, you get money as, you understand?
Yes.
Because the money me want, the photographer. Because sometimes you have 3 take, and at time you have 20 take, Have to take it over till they start to crash out. But that's what it's for real. Not a glamour, you know?
Yes.
So, I had a brother over Portmore, so he went to the movie. I think this movie called Drop Zone. They start telling me, hey, some brother. I look at him and say, brother, I must be mad. Because I must be mad on the screen at the time, brother, that I never know my brother. So I laugh at him, so they come call me and say, Julian, I tell them to you. So me, we do see a movie and I use it. Say, yeah, man, I mean, man, why do I tell them? I'm a laugh at him, so I have to tell them. Every time I do a little bit, I have to make them know, you know. And it's nice to see represent Hermitage big and at least when I was there, right, that's being a little man and yeah, other things we used to do still and different, but when you know the next side of acting and then things, I know it is not, let me put it, now you put it mildly as such, but it's not as glamorous as people think it is, you hear me?
Yes.
A lot of drug abuse and this and that and homosexuality and that kind of stuff. It's over you want to go or you're willing to go and if you want to sell the soul to the devil or whatever. You understand? Mm-hmm. My son was intuitive because he's a caring man and I look at you, Christoph, if you remember anything, he must read something which you don't remember. And the more I push him. But I know, say, the other side of child actors and actresses, enough of them fall by the wayside. You know what I say? Drug out, face out and thing. And look at that, say, well, glamour, nice and thing. Because Christopher sets where the people who might beat them, beat me, and I cost them for go to good and Christopher say, what's the matter with them? Yeah, it's easy for me. And Christopher, very the thing to one. And the man asked him to Christian and this and Christopher, flow treat. He said, man, we need this one, we need him.
Oh.
And in a Christian, but you know, I'm coming to look at one or two look at scenes and everything, but I'm talking about school and difference and long story short, he become a military man. He's very good in the military and come out now, married and 3 kids with my grandfather. You know, but whatever I do, I want to represent Hermitage well and run the place well. Because we like one big family, me I tell my brother. One big family. Countryman, one time about, when we went to Upper Camp, and we won a tournament. And folk remind me the other day, Garnish Williams.
Yes.
We won from camp with a cup. Come right at Hermitage. Gates and everything. And the man stop at every bar and show liquor. And this every drink come out of a junking man. Reach about those, you know. I will come back, go right from Beaumont to the car and I start to that, you know, reach. And I'll do a task. You know what I say? This was spotlight. This was Hermitage. They were doing it with the world community. As a matter of fact, the older man, them used to take a seat for me. You have to, you have Tata Jones. And him take care of me. Reggie Brown. And Mr. Montague, and him take a set for me and say, boy, you want to good. I'm take 5 wickets, boy, I'm take 5 wickets. I say, what? If I make jokes, that's a height and thing, man, because Tata Jones defend me, but Mr. Montague, in my box, oh, you make jokes. Tigo, make everyone, and tell them everyone, so when I go to, boy, you are going to, and the man, they take a set for me, all the older man, when come watch the player, and for a Friday night, no, Mr. Becky. Just got some sort of day. So Becky make the best jerk pork.
Yes.
Ever.
Yes.
So I will go play a bingo for Mr. Becky, but step around that place there. So Tata Jones, how they look out to me, you know. So I mean, mask my little pork for me till me come in the bread. When me go, the bread warm. Them time you come from SP and get the big warm bread and thing, I come back down by have it down the man. Oh. He spoke to the sick and the grease away off here and he had the kiss off, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, all the older man, them take care of me. But guess what? You have to have discipline and respect. With them man, especially Reggie Brown, you know, play that. None of them man play that, you understand? And you have a little junking crew now, like Sir Combs and them team look passive when them drink and go down the road. You know, old one light post, and two of them look on the light post and say, all right, man. I want to stand across the road and I run to kiss you and I told you roll up in my brother. Yeah, man. And then when I'm on there, he hang up on the light post, they turn back and call, yeah, man, go. And then they try to stay across the road. I said, the man put on the road. I wish they had a video them time there. You could have really video them man, just so comical, you know.
Yes.
And you laugh and you have fun. When watch a guy there for go beard over a dump and all them things there. When she go beard, you know. When the man beard shall 5 over the man white like I'm pulling the ball on them. I'll give another history. We have a big signers one day. So someone come early. When me go home, now I sit down Brown and then say, boy, Tigo them down the poor judge and them grab his class first and drink out the whole of the bar. So I go down there. I say, early with a stick. I look for John Lawrence teeth. Can't find my them teeth. It's a police John Lawrence. And I can't find them teeth. And another man I hold him up a game and teeth to drink. You know, the policeman, this you know. I play for him. And it's drunk like hell. Man I give him tea. And the man I look for him tea. So, and the Tigo say, oh, I think this is not yet. But I miss class and go down there. So the man drink out the whole of the bar. So when the man them see them can't know, it's go beard. Go beard.
Yes.
And then, alright, the man them got dump. I'm early morning. And man be for about 5 hours. When Tigo come and boy come, the man them white like sharp. I know, say, we end up lose the match. I got up match, so that back and everything. Tigo blame me, say, that's church, that's the match. Come out that back, couldn't make the man get you after this, that. I say, yeah, but me alone couldn't do it. And a man bull and bumps and lick there, and I made and boy, everybody can get nervous.
Yes.
I look some liquor and the brother and thing and did it. But Tigo want to blame me. So me just stay out there and back. When the man them drunk, I will lose that. But it's just fun all over, man. Tigo called me chocolate too. Chocolate too, him as a church too. Chocolate too. That's the same name for me. You know? I used to call Tigo Rep and Boy Twin Giant. Everybody have a little name, you know?
Yes. Boy was a big man for true. You know?
Yeah, man. Boy big and strong, man, and everything, man. Every team come to theory, man. Theory. We talk about spotlight. I remember, really look at damage everything. I look at man, really want to look him down because, not really hurt him, but my mouth of himself and I say, boy, oh, my toothpaste and my Colgate and everything, say, I go to you now. So I say, boy, I know man, I lick him down. I say, I know bad, it's a good bad. I try to lick him down. Then I boy from all and them get it and get the church to the man who moved from Taban, you know. And I come out now because I'm running no shit. So I'm saying, boy, get the ambulance ready, you know. So with the ambulance, if the seat down there, I'll come in the mine. I'm going to say joking still, you know. But anyway, grass upon the wicket and the wicket are fly. I'm going to listen first one to him straight through and him not moving in. So I'm say, if you can't lick it, then I'll stick it back to the batsman. Suppose you can't touch him somewhere in a job, and I rip down somewhere.
Yes.
So I'm lick it down, I'm here blank, but I'll lick him over him. I'm a brother, I'm sorry for you. Because he go bowl him, pull drop on the ground, and I'll be a blood that come from out of the man eye, you know. Because I'm going to teach you that for any player you see, man. But I shell himself for that. But you know, you want to look at man, but you don't want to hurt him.
Yes.
You know? You want the whole of the man. I will lose him eye and all them things there. You know, I'm sorry. But a cricket, I try to lick you down too, so I 1 for 1. The next match, another man come out there and hook and miss. And the ball get him flushed in the mouth. So the boy spit out the teeth there. And people that come out of the man mouth, the man hook and miss. You know? And then, but you have a ball in your hand, you know, and him says wrong and say, damn. And then the man come back to the club. I'm say to the youth, say, hey brother, you want to pay a glove? Tell him, no man, I'm good man, this. Don't want a glove. You know, I say, all right, I know what to do. So we lick it down short and my mom and him friend have be a crumb. I broke the 2 fingers, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, man. The next match we go up tongue, then I brought him a break and bounce one to him jaw and broke him jaw. The way up him jaw, man. The man couldn't eat some month, man, who's a weight about him hands. Yes. So we do a thing. So when you come play against Hermitage, fat like in a member, you have to come good. Hermitage, I'm going to want unity. We say all unite as one. Because a chain is as strong as its weakest link. A lot of the kids them nowadays, the parents and them coming like friends. It doesn't mean I go, yeah, you parents and another friend, and you get your ass bust and them things. You understand? Yes. So sometimes, I think our generation or later ones, have failed some of the youth, but you have some gifted youth because like a doctors and nurses and lawyers come out of Hermitage right there. So
You mentioned the man Vivian Richards. When I was growing up, one of my favorite cricketers. What was it like to play with a historical figure like him?
well, I know there's a play with him, but you see him and come on the club and everything.
Hey.
As a matter of fact, I used to have a book when I get everybody autograph. And in fact, I list you there from the Indian, this, that, Jack Capel, Dave, Jeff Thompson, all of them. And then being I was a Lucas member, then I went to Kingston, I became a Kingston member. I used to go there, so most of these guys, forwards and whatever, and I'm always take care of us youth. I remember when I get my whites, I want my whites, Marlon Tucker will give me a full set of whites. And Marlon Tucker was the Jamaica captain. I was also the captain for my minor cup team back then and senior cup team for Lucas. You know? And Pakistan and all them guys, they play with a lot of them. And I have seen guys who are back, my brother. I look for them when they are back of them. Them can't have that like Tigo, so them can't bowl like that. But our lovers we had for the community, we can move on and do a lot of things, but certain things will happen and we have to get ejected. I said, well, shoot the spot like me and play final. Nobody else ever made it straight. So they want to go bigger again, you know. As I get the youth, you know, you get enough fight, and that was it. When Tigo come and knock, when we were calling and they were for a roll the wicket and everything, we sit down and laugh and talk and the camaraderie was there. And now but nothing go wrong with you. I remember one time, you know, I had a girlfriend named Lana Robinson. And she leave and go foreign. So, you know, look at you now. You fix your girlfriend, I mean, sit down. I watch her running about eye and dance fast and see me. I want you to do something. And by this time now, where do you Tigo? That means sit down up on the wall, a ball, something happened to me, but somebody beat me up. Let me look. Tigo come with a long stick. Done. And somebody else push him on a corner. Who do something? I'm going to do, nobody do me nothing, man. So we there, boy. So, boy, well, Lana don't have a fire, you know, and he said, Lana, do what? So, boy, she called, the one who buy a ball for, child, then it rocks me out. This was the love I have. And now we look back on it, and say, boy, you know, the love was there, man. I tell you, man, Tigo got us some soul, man. Hermitage is a university unto itself. We all look at each other, and I will do everything I can to help youth down there. As a matter of fact, I want to speak to one and two guys down there and some of the kids them in athletics and they can do good and them grades are alright, you know. We can help them to get a scholarship in the US here because we're in a track and field now more than cricket.
Yes.
And a couple of links are different. Most of the coaches know me and thing and up here coach them from school and thing. They know me and thing. So I don't forget a guy in our college up here. So I want to start help my community now, you understand?
Yes.
So I look at job that and maybe Colleen, talk to Dean and one of them, you know, Mary so I have a link with him and say who because them scholarship are free. But them are athletic scholarship, not an academic scholarship. You understand? So we can't get in athletically. You see me? So you have to do what you have to do. I have to help yourself. Because once you get that, you know, I go overseas. Free of cost, you understand? And that's why for the because you don't do under UWI, you have to pay that money back. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So I get to all I can to do that. I remember there was a guy got Boogie Spring down the road. And Bunny, this time Bunny got the same school, he got killed too. This time Bunny by the team took in a mackerel. I pushed him out of that, came down Monday night. So I run the boat, so Bunny said, hey, Boogie, no, get no this, you know. Come here, put the Boogie, so but everybody eat at night time and when me not get done. And the man the whole bunny and grab out the shoe my clothes and the man and you know and fling it over the back of Miss P Bushy place, you know, Miss Dixon. Fling the shoe to my clothes and rubbing around and floor in my brother. And everybody hungry and the boy should tell the man that man and the man in my brother man. So I go for the night and get flashlight and torch. There's a long bush. I look for the chin of mackerel there, my brother. And when we fight, the fighting, you know, everybody eats, everybody happy, you know. So
Yes.
sometimes you have a little man go a little weird. So we know the camaraderie I come from as a youth, you know.
I want to ask you something. This is you know, current issues that we have in Hermitage, and I know of the past it was maybe dealt with differently. the seniors. Do you think the youths today was let down by the seniors?
I wouldn't put it that way. No, I don't think so. I feel the seniors try their best, but it's not like one time when if me do something wrong, so I couldn't bust my ass, if my mother knows she bust my ass too. And she just changed out after our next generation, you couldn't lick the body pit me again because the man come kill you after you lick the pit and everything. So the discipline fall apart right there, you understand? Like it was fair. Another thing that they did was take the priority of the school and like Satan take over afterward, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So you go to school, I get a bus ass, you put out your hand, I get a strapping, and them hold you and cane you. You understand? You can't do that again because the man can't go and come to shut the teacher and them thing. And some of these mothers and some of the fathers too, they don't sit the kids down and explain certain things to them. Look, you're on the young ones down the road, you're going to be older, and you have a responsibility. Am I going to be around for you? Take your book. Don't want to bling, 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 because that is temporary, and you'll lose the 3 pieces of the gang thing and everything. Everything that's temporary. But some of them don't sit down, and some of them, if a kid wrong and telling them right. A kid doesn't do bad, the police come, oh, good kid, in this and that and that and that. Or you know the kid wrong. No, chastise him. Look, man, until today, my kid them say, yes, sir, yes, ma'am, no, sir, no, ma'am. It never give me trouble.
Mm-hmm.
They do what they have to do. But I bring them here, and me and them, I'm first try because I have to stay here, so, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And they never give me no trouble. They be sending to school, whatever. You understand? So it's how you grow with your kids. And in Hermitage, every kid is somebody's kid. That means they take a village to raise a youth, man. You know, the one thing, if a youth are doing, I'm still on call him, never call him down. Sometimes I sit down and talk with him and say, call it reverse psychology. Come on, man. What you have to do? Say a problem if you keep on doing this. Make him know, say, look, brother, put your hand over your eye. You can't see nothing, right? Look for yourself if you're blind. And you can't see nothing, tell somebody to help you eat, whatever. No, you have to give off sight. We can do certain things and do what we have to do. And God will help you. Look for it as a gift and move and try to do good for others and help. You ever see all them treat prisoners, I have to go in and lock up. Well, I'm in this corner and I'm lock it for 6 months. And I look at straight box. The air condition, I want to look at over the top part. I remember the only one time I play, you know, I did a youth club down there as a young man. I'm about 14, 15. And I'm slam the door, I'm going to say about it. I locked me up in that, you know.
Yes.
I couldn't walk the door, you know. And I look around, I was supposed to come walk up and let you know. Boy, in the like me, I got mad. In the rank, in dirty stink, there's no place for you use a bathroom, people, you have a bucket. And imagine, what kind of thing that? All the things that come mashed down in Jamaica, make up a good prison for you, man, you understand? Okay, man, people are doing a bucket. And I say, boy, whole thing, you know, because I can't do that, I just think here. And then somebody use it. I man meet you what we can do to mess of himself. I in this so no, I bring more man can put in that because jail can't hold no more, you know. So things like those you know him danger, my brother.
In the 70s, let's not go too far back. In the 70s, when you thought about the future of Hermitage, what was it that you did?
We are talking first thing we wanted to do was to get a bus run the Hermitage. Because the bus used to go up on top of the road and go to Augustine and people come up and walk over the hill and come up and walk through Miss Crosses and come up and hold back a thing. You understand? Mm-hmm. So that was one of the accomplishments that we all come around and we got. Then we get the center down there again to his brother Ed Bartlett. And the thing was for have a center where it could be for the kids them down the road. And it could be for the clubhouse for spotlight because we never want to use down on the basic school no more. So we have a visitors part and a home part. And that plan to put up some stands also there. But Brim and one and Gilly, well, them man them do them do have to do and put up the fence and small to come on now. So that kind of small job. And then I have to do it because I have spoken to Mr. Bartlett and say, boy, what we can do is do it right, but make road come down like a running water can go underneath it to go all the way around. You know, so the dirt is up and the water come, them can go on and so make the field a little bigger. And we could have put the netball court up at the top of the field. Right? Over with a long shot to make the team look out right beside Jerry Marks in place. And that was in plan. And them saying this up and put it on the big old concrete on the bottom. So you couldn't run with a cricket boots all again. So it kind of mashed up the camera in a sense. Because the plan was there to get it right. But the idea was good. I'm a good man. And when you get to the politics thing, man, good now, good that people do free. You understand?
Yes.
And the man did his part and whatever. So that community center should be there for the kids. Now it's another issue, and I don't want to get into that, as I'm not there. But you know, it has to be put to the use that it was there for. The kids can go there and get the work done. Get a internet set up where the kids can do the homework. You want stuff like those in the Hermitage, brother. You understand me? I say it's not fair. People want to keep this and keep that. No. I'm not fight against a man, but it is there for a reason. You know, the biggest disappointment to me was that they have a football team in the major league, and most of the other guys have to go and play for other clubs. And we have so much gifted guys like Peter Cargill, Jimmy Sinclair, the man that play for Jamaica. We have so much other guys, kind of Bing. We have Tic Tac, Andy Lynch. I mean, good ballers. You know, come to Jeffrey Sinclair, Percy Bird at the keeper, Benji. You know, we could have beat up any little team, but them are talking about it too close to flats, so I go too much join them, and then man give a fight. No, I will play for them. You understand? So just disappoint me, and I wish you could have come true. And Mr. Chile come true and add this little football thing great. He's one of the one who I used to look after and go and carry it to another level and get them kids to win this and win that. I look at the picture there, I say, what after all those kids as younger guys? Some of them in a prison, some of them dead and gang thing. You know, what was done for them to move on? You know, did we fail them in a sense? Because a lot of kids come out there, but you have to also have ambition and drive. We never have nobody and father. We agree with my auntie. We take up a gun to and everything, but we say, but mother work hard and my auntie work hard. I'm not going to let them down in them. I do me have to do it. We should work outside under the light post and when that place stop. Because a big bright light this year. Everybody come up with this time, whatever. You know? So we generally come and we do work right there. On the corner. You understand? And a lot of guys will come and represent. I mean, Jimmy go to JC. He was also the captain of the Marine Cup team. Was also the coach. I win the Marine Cup team. You know, Peter Cargill represented Jamaica, and then the last one was also a coach. Most of the Camperdown guys and my yard, them come stay for holiday and stay there, so I go to them, we get together, so and all of them. And back at my yard, them come sit down and cook up a boat and thing and have a match and thing and different. There's a lot of youth that I like to talk to. Dan Brown and Garrett Williams, Jimmy Sinclair, Jeffrey Sinclair, a lot of guys who can get history, especially Dan Brown and Dagwood. Them can tell the things that need to be passed down the generation, but they know where MC that come from. A lot don't really know and know what to win through. But let me tell you, just pride. When you say MC that spotlight, you know that be made pride. When we have football match over background, and we have run out some, we play them once. A star-studded team come out to August Town, the minor league team play against Spotlight. We know some little half-dead shots and some white shirt, and the man come out, run from behind the pavilion, come out, like man, bird every whole August Town, throw the place and help people there. Hey! And then bully pass a ball to me and me kick it, go for the bar. We should kick it to the bar to all the lick from it and go over. And the man write it in the paper and say, 40 shooting by Michael Henderson, car spotlight the match, me kick the ball over the bar. And I'm saying, go in there, bully pass the ball. But we get the man a fight that day, man. That can't pass down here. Ball going tear them because they say, give it 20 love. And them couldn't pass. And the cricket of them. And the trap man and everybody, and we just come together and determine, say, oh, them boy are nah beat you, know. Dan Brown and Bui and Tigo, that defense. Bui take off him boots and play barefoot, kick out the ball and bust it. Yeah, man, boy, stand up on you, feel it, man. I tell you,
Oh,
somebody on the road from boy, we are come through. True. We even check and feel too because the same set of man them, me, Bumpy, Fork, Wally, Punchy, actually between us four, we're still we broke record, 4x1 record, when I give to relay and everything. You know, and Wally Walker start, you know, you can't catch him.
Yes.
And me, Fork and Bumpy shot, but him fast. Yeah, we're going to win big trophy and certificate and everything. Well, so I want to get this up. So, represent the same man, keep the same way. We never too bad. So, when I got it, dig it for one of the best in Jamaica, right from Hermitage.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
That's so much good guys, but nothing has been said or known about them. These things are not passed on and passed down to generation, but they know, you know. And we have a monument soon. I've spoken to Curly Walker. Them say we have a monument soon, you know, to recognizing those who have contributed and passed on, you know. And I have been through a lot of them. From Brother John, the place together, Beno, Prim, them older man, you know, Nayakov. And I'm talking before I go to tell you this, there was a guy who used to beat you as a little youth, Boogie.
Yes.
The baddest man, probably. So, we have to get back to him and play cricket. So, we have to play a match against him and them game a game now. And guess what I do? He want him to match early. And guess what about me? So, me and Peter is playing and I say, we have to lick him down and lick him so because he got tell me. So, my boom so I find me fly by here. Watching the small boy. See? This ball licking like easy, and the ball fly gone over the team. The whole of the man ears start bleed and the skin bruise off. And she goes, guy, you can't do nothing, I'm a bowler. Listen again, Cherry too. I mean, listen, man, I'm marker, I'm pin up guy. You can't back with the man, I play cricket, man. Well, look, I play a sponsor over if I came to Mirage, I just said, okay, I laugh because I wouldn't beat you up. But Peter is going to laugh and chase Peter right. But if I don't, we could stay behind Tigo and stay with Tigo the whole time till him gone. And go slap him head and slap him ears and slap him side after. I don't go around for fight, but so but it's a bad man because he beat up all the conductors and all them things then. I better when I play.
Wow.
You understand? But that was always to get back at the bigger man then because two Tigo Clark him teach me.
Yes.
I couldn't play cricket, him teach me. I could have go from cricket tour to the police club and that thing. And was my Jamaica youth team, that child and Chamberlain that one put a spot like nothing else. And she was opening bats and face some good man, Jamaican bowler, some Junior Williams and all of them in winter. I won my one without a helmet, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm telling my kids them that was a man, Dan Brown and Tigo Clark, who inspired me as a young man coming up. I would never want to let down no time at all. But I jump off a bridge to Tigo at the time. And I carry that onto my kids and tell them, say, boy, have a role model. And my kids go to school and tell them, say, boy, my father, my role model. And the child back there, Michael Jordan. My father and my role model. And that let me feel so good. And for the Tigo son come say, I am his role model, in my city. Man, tears full my eye, man. I'm saying, well, the father was my role model. So it passed on from generation. So she's in MC now. Who is the role model for them now to look up to and can pass her? You know, have to think on that.
Yeah,
and we are the older age now. You're the older age now like myself. And the earth spin, I won't be here much longer based on age and thing. I can go at any time. But I want to know I left a contribution to make MC a better place than I came inside. I mean, I leave it to be a much better place. No one like MG to me. But the plane, and when I go places, no one like MG that in that place you can sit down. Like my friend them gone, and Bunny and Coolman and Buff and them man, they, you know.
Yes.
It's rough, but you know. And as the life goes on and they have their offspring, we should see that their offspring make it and do what best we can to let them survive. You understand? It's a tough world out there. And we don't, this pandemic, we don't know what is going to happen.
Yes.
And what changes will be made. But everybody has to make their own decision. You understand?
Yes.
Well, I love my family. It was a pleasure here.
Yes.
You know, and I
much.
hope one day to be on again. And me personally, she done made me the man I am today. No if and no but. But okay, what a guy what I say. Tigo Clark and Dan Brown live at you know, the older age used to cook in my head and go on a little way. Alright, so white, for my father, I never have, I'm white, I'm a mother I never have.
Yes.
It's a nice baby mother for same piece of our in that place. I just John Smith and Opie, two magnificent sons, turn me a grandfather already. So one family, my brother. And I'm glad for the work you're doing. Some of you guys doing good, Colleen and Dean Wooden. But that guy works tirelessly and he know a lot of people and do good. Not only with Hermitage alone, but also with August down too, you know. And I love that he's doing a lot of stuff. You know, and thing, and you are glad what you're doing because countryman, I tell you, you make the world know what's going on in them too, and your side with your airplay and everything, you understand? And Mr. Mason and even Khan and all of them, Yaga, Andrew, you know, Bam Bam, all of them, Ivan, you know, Tasha, you know, Hermitage. Everybody think about Sanja White, Brandon White, Peter White, everybody. Nowhere like Hermitage, brother. Nowhere. She like me also like power in the place. So. But it's not going nowhere. And you're ready to come back, maybe write some mistake. You never know.
Cherry to Anderson, 100%. We'll do it again. He's a very, very important character. We will have him back again sometime on the Uptown Link Up show when we speak about specific areas of his life. It's an Uptown Link Up show. We talk again another time.
I like Uptown Link Up. Yes, sir. Hello? Is this Uptown Link Up? Oh, best program ever.